Well, we welcome you to another broadcast here today on YouTube. Hope you'll stay tuned in and be sure to hit the like and the share and the comments, and subscribe to it. We just here trying to fix these old cars up and hoping you enjoy it while we do it. I tell you what, it's better than watching this old news that's going on. How that news will get you down. These old cars will get you up a little bit. But anyway, let's bring you up to date on a little bit about what's going on. And we sure do hope the Lord blesses you real good today. And we're welding up some trim holes and drilling new trim holes. And we had to shrink a piece of metal in the body from previous body work. So let's go over here and let's just show you what's going on. All right. So what we've done down here, we had to we had a knot, so we had to shrink that and re-weld that, and then we had to drill these holes, new holes, trim holes for the what they call the Tudor chrome, and we welded up the holes for the custom 300 that went in here. These 5 holes here are welded up, and I don't know if we can let you see this or not. We'll try. I don't know if you can see those little pieces of metal that we put in, and what we did is we took that little pieces of full tape, and by myself, we had to tape the metal over the hole with a piece of square metal that we welded in, and tape that to the body. And also on the back of this, there was sound deadener, little coating that you've seen in there that we had to chip around from these holes so we could weld those in. But anyway, so now we got to take and make a square hole out of a round hole. I'll show you a little bit. Let's go over here and we'll look and see what we got going on. So we got a square hole here, and the other holes went down in this area. So we had to drill this hole, and this hole, and this hole's got to be square. So that's what we're going to concentrate right now on, and I hope you enjoy that. All right. So in order to make that square hole, I don't have a tri-file small enough to cut these corners. So I'm going to take this old mill file here, and I'm going to take my zip wheel and cut that so I can get it in there and cut those corners, okay? Now I hope this works. Oh, there we go. There's my part. Let's see if it works. Well, what about that? There we go. Well, it's got rounded corners now. I can't get it quite that square, but we're going to, well, let's try a little more. Don't want to go too much. Well, I'm going to tell you, I never was good at making a round peg go in a square hole. Looking pretty good. That's right on there. I believe that's going to work. All right, now that we've got all our welding done on this particular side, I believe we won't know until I get back into that. When I get into that, digging that out and seeing what's there, we may have more welding to do, but you got to get all your welding done before you do any major body work at all. So anyway, we did get our rocker panel pretty straight and dialed in good. Now we got a wipe up here. We've got a crease here, and the reason I couldn't just tap that in, there's a brace. There's a brace that goes down right on top of that. So, but anyway, we're going to get her done, and maybe until next time, may the Lord bless you. And this is better than watching the news. Just please subscribe and like and share and comment. Would you enjoy that? But anyway, all my grandkids are getting into it. You know, they're getting into it. They're watching Grandpa and on the television. So we thank the Lord for that. They're enjoying that. And oh, another thing, here's how I got the measurements for this. I took a chalk line and chalk lined that out. Made a straight line down the body. We measured out this hole from the other side, and I measured down here and here and triangulated it here to get this hole. And this hole was just real simple from here and then down to there, and that got me that hole. But anyway, that should get me my trim. I know this is a step back from the custom 300 trim, the fancy trim, and I've got all that trim. But what this car is, I believe it'd be more suited for just a little piece, solid one color car, green like the house next door. You know how they say about green paint. But anyway, we're going to enjoy that. So we're looking forward to getting some paint on this thing. So may the Lord bless you until next time.